What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host. Now, you're clicking on this video because I want to talk to you about what's going on with the Genesis Gemini issue. A lot of people, thousands of people, are on the verge of losing a lot of money. That was the story a couple of weeks ago. But just 2 days ago, Cameron Winklevoss replied on behalf of Gemini saying that there's a higher chance that we can get our money back. And I've used Gemini for a long time. I've used the Earn program for a long time. November 16, they halted everything, right? It's something that on my personal channel, we've been talking a lot about it. And there's something general public knows in the crypto industry, how difficult last year was. But can this year be a little bit better? Genesis Trading, a company parent of, under that digital currency group, similar to CoinDesk and Grayscale, has gone bankrupt, and that company was the lender of Gemini. So in this case, guys, the good news is that Cameron has said that they have reached to an agreement of getting our money back for all the people that use Gemini Earn, and they're giving $100 million on top of, to help us get our money back. Now, in my case, I've only had a couple of thousands of dollars, but I can only imagine if he is giving 100 million, Gemini is using that to help. Can only imagine probably billions of dollars that people are still looking to get, and that puts into a problem of, can this happen? Because one of the consequences, guys, that we're seeing the market experiences in this upcoming Super Bowl, there's not gonna be any crypto company television ads promoting crypto, right? That's sad, but it is what 2022 created for us. Remember, last year, we had a bunch of companies, including, of course, FTX, that no longer lives. That Super Bowl 2022 was great, and that was back in a year before Terra Luna started. Imagine that, before Terra Luna started. It's like, you wouldn't even believe it, right? How can we go back to those days, pre-Terra Luna, pre-FTX, pre-so many? But now we're finally seeing some closure, hopefully, to get our money back, and that will be a massive check mark so people can get a better taste and feeling of crypto. If you like this, guys, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to ClearCryptos. Just a quick update because there's a lot going on, and it's always good to cherish the good news, the positive ones, because crypto is here to stay, same as you. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.